Hello everyone. Today we are going to study about permutation, equality permutation, product or composite of two permutation and inverse permutation and their examples. First we will discuss about permutation. Permutation. Let S be non-empty set and is a finite set having n distinct elements. A mapping F such that S to S is called a permutation if a mapping have 1 1 and onto itself. Symbol of a permutation, let S equal to A1, A2, so on An, be a finite set having n distinct element. That is, the number of elements in the finite set S is known as the degree of permutation. Then F such that S goes to S and F is 1 1 and onto, then F is a permutation of degree n. Permutation we can written as F equal to this one first row, this one second row of permutation F have degree n. That is, each element in the second row, this is the F image of the element of the first row of this, such that V1 element in second row is the F image of the element A1 of the first row, that is V1 equal to FA1. This implies FA1 equal to V1. Similarly, V2 is F image of the element A2, that is FA2 equal to V2. Similarly, FAN equal to BN. If a set S equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4 is a finite set having 4 elements and degree 4, then F equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 3, 2, 4. Now we take F permutation of this, then one element in second row is the F image of the element 1 of the first row, then F1 equal to 1. Similarly, 3 element in second row is the F image of the element 2 of the first row, then F2 equal to 3. So similarly, F3 equal to 2 and F4 equal to 4. Now the interchange of columns will not change the permutation. If F equal to days is permutation of degree n. We can write it in several ways. For example, f equal to this nth column of this permutation change in first column of this and second column of this change of nth column of this and first column of this change second column of this. Now the value of this permutation is same, the value of this permutation of same. This permutation can be written as this, the value of this and the value of this and this are same. For example, permutation f equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 3, 2, 1 is permutation of degree 4. Then interchanging column we can written as 2, 4, 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 2. Value of this permutation and value of this permutation is same because every elements of second row of both permutation have same image. Then the interchanging of columns will not change the permutation. Equality of two permutations. Two permutations f and g of degree n are said to be equal if we have fa equal to ga for all a belonging to S. For example, f and g be two permutation of degree 4, then 2 is the image of 1. Now f1 equal to 2 and f3 equal to f2 equal to 3 and f3 equal to 4 and f4 equal to 1. Now G permutation, f2 equal to 3, G4 equal to 1 and G3 equal to 4, G1 equal to 2. F and G both permutation have same image, then F1 equal to 2 and Z1 equal to 2, then F1 equal to Z1. Similarly, F2 equal to 3 and G2 equal to 3, then F2 equal to G2. Similarly, F3 equal to 4, G3 equal to 4, then F3 equal to G3. F4 equal to 1, Z4 equal to 1, then F4 equal to Z4. We conclude that every element of a permutation F and G have same image. Now we have F equal to G. So both permutation have equality. Identity permutation. If I is if identity permutation of degree n such that every element have itself f image of permutation. Every elements of second row of this permutation have image itself, that is this permutation f equal to this is identity. For example, f equal to 1, 2, 3, so on n, and 1, 2, 3, so on n is identity permutation, have degree n. Another example, f equal to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 is identity, have 3 degree. Product or composite of two permutation. The product or composite of two permutation f and g of degree n denoted by fg is obtained by first carrying out the operation defined by f and then by g. F and g be two permutation. Here the permutation g has been written in such a way that the first row of g, this, coincides with the second row of f. Permutation f and g. Now product of two permutation f and g written as fg equal to this one and this one. For f replaces a1 by v1 and g replaces v1 by c1, so that fg replaces a1 to c1. Now a1 replaces by v1, v1 replaces by c1, then a1 replaces by c1. Similarly, for second column, f replaces a2 by v2 and g replaces v2 by c2. Then fg replaces a2 by c2. Similarly, a3 replaces by c3, then this, and similarly an replaces by cn, so this. Permutation f have n degree and permutation g have n degree, then obviously fg is also a permutation of degree n. Now the product of two permutation of degree n is also permutation of degree n. For example of product or composite of two permutation, f and g be two permutation, f equal to this and g equal to this. Find fg and gf and prove that fg does not equal to gf. F and g be two permutation. Now product of two permutation fg equal to this one and this one. Now 1 replaces by 2 and 2 replaces by 2. Then 1 replaces by 2. So 1 replaces by 2. Similarly, 2 replaces by 3 and 3 replaces by 4. Then 2 replaces by 4. So this. And similarly, 3 replaces by 4 and 4 replaces by 5. Then 3 replaces by 5. Similarly, 4 replaces by 5 and 5 replaces by 3. So 4 replaces by 3. Again, 5 replaces by 1 and 1 replaces by 1. Then 5 replaces by 1. This. Now find the value of GF. Written as this or this. 1 replaces by 1. Second one, 1 replaces by 2. Now 1 replaces by 2. So 1 replaces by 2. And again 2 replaces by 2. 2 replaces by 4. Then 2 replaces by 4. This. 3 replaces by 4 and 4 replaces by 3. So 3 replaces by 3. Now again 4 replaces by 5 and 5 replaces by 1. Then 4 replaces by 1. This. 5 replaces by 3 and 3 replaces by 5. Now 5 replaces by 5. This. So GF does not equal to GF. The reason is that FG 3 replaces by 5 while GF 3 replaces by 3. So FG cannot be equal GF. Inverse permutation. Permutation F equal to this. Be permutation then inverse of F, that F inverse of this. Now second row replaces by first row of F permutations, this one and this one. We found F inverse equal to V1, V2, V3, so on Vn. Second row A1, A2, A3, so on An. Permutation F have degree n and F inverse is also a permutation of degree n. For example, of inverse permutation F equal to the second row of this permutation replaces by first row of this permutation. We found F inverse equal to 3, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. Now permutation F have degree 5 and a permutation F inverse of F have also 5 degree. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and like it so that you can get latest video. Thanks.